Admiral, the fugitives Minsk and Raynor escaped through the warp gate due to the intervention of the Zerg. But shortly before our forces were overrun, Vice Admiral Stukov took control of a large contingent of troops and came here to the planet Braxis.
Why would he abandon the battle on Aiur? Why has he come back to Braxis?
I mean no offense, Admiral, but perhaps Stukov's loyalties are not as strong as you once believed.
Because you are young and foolish, Lieutenant, I will pardon that insult. Alexei and I have been friends since long before you were born. However, he must be found. If Stukov is here, he will account for his actions.
Admiral, our sensors have detected a fully functional psi disruptor on the planet's surface directly below our position. It would appear that the Vice Admiral did not destroy the psi disruptor on Tarsonis as was ordered.
What? Impossible!
I warned you, Admiral. Stukov has betrayed you. He's reconstructed the psi disruptor in order to sabotage your mission in this sector.
I can't believe it. Yet, the evidence is incontrovertible. Alexei, what have you done? Perhaps you've been right all along, Lieutenant. On my authority, enter the psi disruptor and deal with the Vice Admiral appropriately.
Of course, Admiral.
Lieutenant, hang tight for a sec while we clear the entrance. They've locked the door. Set the bomb.
Unauthorized entry detected.
Yes, Captain.
We're in. This room's clear.
I'll take care of it.
Need medical attention?
How can I be of service? You got it. I'll take care of it.
Need medical attention?
Yes, Captain. Of course. You got it. Of course. You got it.
How do you work this damn thing? Computer, locate Admiral Stukov.
Access code
Of
denied.
course. How can I be of service?
I hate computers. Let's move.
How can I be of service?
Standing by.
What do you need?
Standing by.
What do you need?
Commander.
Yes, Captain. Of course. I'll take care of it right away. You got it.
What's up?
Where's Stukov?
Don't tell those traitors anything, Harry.
Wax 'em, boys.
Help!
How can I be of service? Of course.
Did someone page me?
How can I be of service? What do you need? You got it.
State the nature of your medical emergency.
Yes, Captain. How can I be of service?
Did someone page me? Where does it hurt?
How can I be of service? Yes, Captain. Right away. I'm here. Right
Outta
away.
here.
I'm here.
Give me something to shoot.
I'm here, right away. I'll take care of it.
Standing by. Go, go, go.
Yes, Captain.
Give me some of this shit. Oh, another computer. Says hit any key. Which one's the any key?
Security cameras activated. Goliath repair bay located in Sector 4.
If we can get over there, we might be able to hijack those Goliaths.
On my way.
I'm here.
Need medical attention? Stat.
I'm here.
State the nature of
I'm
your
here.
medical emergency.
Vito,
On
I'm
my
here.
way.
Yes, Captain. Right away. I'll take care of it. Right away. I'll take care of it. You got it. Right away. Of course.
Need medical attention? Stat.
Yes, Captain. You got it.
Need medical
How can I be of service? Right away. Of course. I'll take care of it. Of course.
Jacked up and good to go. Rock and roll.
What do you need?
Access code denied.
Hey, who's messing with the computers? Oh,
Give me the damn access codes before I blow an aggression inhibitor.
I ain't telling you nothing.
Right away.
I'll tell you. It's, Farnham.
Access code accepted.
Thanks. Oops.
Security cameras activated. Vice Admiral Stukov detected in Sector 8.
I'm here.
Where does it hurt?
Yes, Captain. What do you need? Right away.
Hey, boys. We could sure use those Goliaths. Get over there and commandeer them.
Intruders! Alert the Goliath pilot!
You got it. Of course. I'll take care of it. Of course. I'll take care of it.
Standing by. Give me some of this shit. Commander.
Comlink online.
Standing by. Go, go, go.
Systems functional.
Yes, Captain. You got it. I'll take care of it.
On my way.
What do you need? Right away. You got it. I'll take care of
Jacked
it.
up and good to go. Outstanding. Go, go, go.
Yes, Captain. I'll take care of it. Right away. You got it. Right away. Of course. I'll take care of it. Right away. Yes, Captain. Right away. How can I be of service? I'll take care of it. You got it. I'll take care of it. Right away.
Your forces are under attack.
I'll take care of it. What do you need?
Hey, you. Get over here with that SCV and repair our Goliaths.
Don't shoot! I'll do it!
How can I be of service? You got it. I'll take care of it. Yes, Captain.
Need medical
How can I
attention?
be of service?
Channel open.
What do you need? Of course. How can I be of service? You got it. I'll take care of it. Of course. How can I be of service? I'll take care of it. Of course. I'll take care of it. Right away. Of course. Right away. Of course. Right away. You got it. I'm here. I'll take care of it. What do you need? You got it. Of course.
Comlink online. Acknowledged, HQ.
How can I be of service? I'll take care of it.
Did someone page me?
I'm here. Of course. I'll take care of it. Right away.
Comlink online.
I'm here. Of course. I'll take care of it. Of course. What do you need? You got it. Of course. You got it. Right away.
Fire it up.
Of course.
State the nature of your medical
What
emergency.
do you need? I'll take care of it. Of course. I'll take care of it.
Systems functional.
How can I be of service? Of course.
Go ahead, TACOM. Target designated.
Yes, Captain.
Comlink online. Confirmed.
Yes, Captain. Of course. Up here. Yes, Captain. You got it. Of course. Right away. Up here. Of course. I'll take care of it. Right away. I'll take care of it. Of course. You got it. Of course. Yes, Captain. What do you need? You got it. Of course. Vice Admiral Stukov, I am here under orders to terminate your command.
Lieutenant Terran, I'm not surprised. We both know exactly what it is that you're here to terminate. Get on with it.
Say goodnight, Stukov.
To hell with you.
Lieutenant Duran, report your situation immediately.
Gerard, old friend, you do indeed have a traitor in your midst. But it's not me. Duran. He has been playing us both from the start. He convinced you to destroy the Psi Disruptor, even though it was our best chance at defeating the Zerg. And then on Ire, he allowed the Zerg to overrun us even as we had the fugitives in our grasp. I came here to activate the one hope we have of defeating them. And you killed me for it. Duran is your enemy, Gerard. I suspect that he may even be infested as well. Use the disruptor, Gerard. Finish our operation. Let my death have at least some meaning.
Alexei! Oh, what have I done? What have I done? Computer, where the hell is Lieutenant Duran?
The lieutenant no longer registers on my sensors, Admiral. He appears to have vanished.
No.
Self-destruct sequence initiated. Sir, the disruptor's power core has just been set to overload. In order to prevent meltdown, you will need to reach the manual override terminal and shut the reactor core down.
It must have been Duran. You men serve the Vice Admiral loyally. I ask that you continue to serve his memory by keeping this disruptor in one piece. Now get going and find that override terminal. Channel open. Target designated.
Security cameras activated.
Confirmed. Navcom locked. Comlink online. Target designated.
Outer installation walls had been breached, tracking multiple Zerg signals throughout the Psi Disruptor's interior.
What the hell? How did Zerg get in here? Captain, we may have a huge infestation problem.
This proves that Duran's working with the Zerg. Captain, don't let a single Zerg stand in your way. We need this disruptor now, more than ever. Go ahead, TACOM. Navcom locked. Go ahead, TACOM. Target designated.
Someone page one. State the nature of your medical emergency.
Give me something to shoot.
Channel open.
Commander, let's move. Go, go, go. Let's move. Outstanding. Go, go, go.
Systems functional.
State the nature of your medical emergency.
Give me something to shoot. Go, go, go.
Comlink online.
Rock and roll.
Does it hurt?
Jacked up and good to
Calling
go.
online. Confirmed. Acknowledged HQ. Navcom locked. Acknowledged HQ.
Security cameras activated.
Confirmed.
Oh, man. How the hell are we gonna get by all them Zerglings?
Need medical attention? Right away. I'm on the job. Right away. On my way.
Let's go.
I'm on the job.
Channel open.
Yes. You got it.
Did someone page me?
Systems functional.
Need medical attention?
Comlink online.
Fired up.
Go ahead, TACOM.
Need medical attention?
Comlink online.
Stat.
Comlink online.
Want to turn up the heat?
Systems functional. Comlink online. Channel open. Target designated. Confirmed.
Yes.
I'm on the job.
Acknowledged HQ. Go ahead, TACOM. Comlink online.
Check that out. They're trapped.
Channel open. Systems functional. Acknowledged HQ.
Rock and roll.
Channel open. Systems functional. Acknowledged HQ. Navcom locked. Confirmed. Navcom locked. Acknowledged
Pay
HQ.
attention.
Navcom locked.
Sir, it looks like this corridor has been lined with defensive autoguns. If we can lure the Zerg in here, they'll be cut to shreds.
Acknowledged HQ. Target designated. Confirmed.
Commander,
Channel open. Comlink online.
Want to turn up the heat? Slam.
Channel open. Target designated. Acknowledged HQ. Comlink online.
I love the smell of toasted Zerglings in the morning.
I'm on the job. On my way.
Systems functional.
State the nature of your medical emergency.
Go, go, go.
Got it. Naturally. Let's burn.
Channel open.
Kneel for the swarm.
Systems functional. Target designated. Acknowledged HQ. Go ahead, TACOM. Channel open. Navcom locked. Acknowledged HQ. Navcom locked. Confirmed. Target designated. Confirmed. Comlink online. Acknowledged HQ. Target designated. Channel open. Go ahead, TACOM.
Your forces are under attack.
Channel open. Go ahead, TACOM.
Jacked up and good to go.
Comlink online.
Give me something to shoot. Oh, man. Poor Johnny. Commander, go, go, go. Outstanding.
Go ahead, TACOM. Channel open.
Standing by. Outstanding.
Systems functional.
Commander, go, go, go.
Go ahead, TACOM.
Jacked up and good to go.
Go ahead, TACOM. Navcom locked. Confirmed. Target designated. Acknowledged HQ. Navcom locked. Go ahead, TACOM. Confirmed. Go ahead, TACOM.
Jacked up and good to go. Rock and roll. Go, go, go. Let's move. Rock and roll. Let's move. Go, go, go. Let's move. Outstanding. Let's move.
Channel open.
Standing by.
Channel open. Systems functional.
Commander, rock and roll.
Go ahead, TACOM. TACOM locked.
Standing by.
Acknowledged HQ. TACOM locked. Confirm.
Rock and roll.
Comlink online.
Standing by. Rock and roll.
Go ahead, TACOM. TACOM locked. Acknowledged HQ.
Give me something to shoot.
Comlink online.
Let's move.
TACOM locked. Confirmed. Target designated.
Reactor core shutdown sequence initiated.
Good work, Captain. I want the psi disruptor kept on full power around the clock. I'll leave a garrison here to protect it as well. Prepare the fleet to move out. We are going to the planet Char to claim that cursed overmind. And may heaven help Duran for what he has done this day.